Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can share a folder or file on network in Windows 11. So for that you have to open your my computer, this PC or File Explorer. From that you have to right click on network in here and click on properties. Then you have to click on change advanced sharing settings. Here you have to turn on network discovery and you have to make sure this is also checked. Then click on save changes. So once you have done that, now you have to right click on the folder or file you want to share, then click on properties, then click on sharing and you have to click on share again. So once you have opened the share option, you have to click on this arrow and click on everyone, then you have to click on add. So in everyone settings you have to click on here and click on read/write and you have to share it by clicking on this and you have to click on done and click on close. So when now your network and sharing setting is visible, anyone with a computer device now can access your network, your files or the folder you have just share on your network by enabling the network and sharing visible option. So anyone under your Wi-Fi or Ethernet now will be able to access this folder. So that's how you basically share a file or folder on Windows 11 through network. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.